The question says solve for x. In this equation that involves algebraic fraction, it is 8x over 9 minus 3x over 2 equals to 5 over 6 minus x. So let me attempt to solve this. Copying the equation 8x over 9 minus 3x over 2 equals to 5 over 6 minus x. So let me move. What I will attempt to do first is to clear the fraction, clear this algebraic fraction, because handling fractions is not easy. So let me clear fraction. To clear fraction, I'll look for the LCM of the denominators. The denominators are 9, 2, and 6. So the LCM of 9, 2, and 6 is what I will find. If I find it, I'll multiply each and every term, both the left and right hand side, each and every term by that LCM. So after the multiplication, I will no longer have fraction. All the denominators will cancel out. So LCM of 9, 2, and 6 is going to be 18. So I'm going to multiply each and every term by 18. Let me do that. So I'm going to have 8x over 9 multiplied by 18 minus 3x over 2 multiplied by 18 equals to 5 over 6 multiplied by 18 minus x multiplied by 18. So let me continue. This 8x over 9 times 18, 9 can divide 18 to get to 2, so 2 times 8x will now be 16x. 2 in 18 is 9. 9 times this 3x, it is going to be 27x. 6 in 18 is 3. 3 times 5 is 15. Then x times that. So let me do that. So I'm going to have 16x. That is 9 in 18 is 2. 2 times 8x is 18x. 2 in 18 is 9. 9 times 3x is 27x. And 6 in 18 is 3. 3 times 5 is 15. And x times 18 is 18x. So collect like terms. 18x, this minus 18x by the right hand side will now be shifted to the left. There gives me 16x minus 27x plus 18x equals to 15. So 16 minus 27 plus 18x. Collecting these like terms gives answer 7x equals to 15. Divide both sides by 7 to get x. There I have x equals to 15 over 7. And this 15 over 7 change it to mixed fraction. That is going to be 2 whole number 1 over 7. So this is the value of x. So to that I finish answering this question. What I'll just give you is the mark distribution for this according to the official Neco marking scheme. The mark distribution is as follows. The very first mark is bonus 1 mark, and this bonus 1 mark is for getting LCM of 9, 2, and 6. That is this 18. Gives you this bonus 1 mark. The LCM of 9, 2, and 6. Getting it correctly, you have bonus 1 mark. Next mark is method mark, and that method mark is for clearing fraction. That is multiplying by this LCM. So you have method 1 mark. Next mark is for solving. After the last stage where you divide both sides by the coefficient of x, you have method 1 mark there. And getting the value of x in mixed fraction as 2 whole number 1 over 7 accurately, you have the accuracy 1 mark. So the total marks awarded to this question is 4 marks.